Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. We're in Axel's kitchen. Yep. My wife's on the phone. The dog's drinking out of the sink. And I got a new chopper. This is the Vidalia Chop Wizard. Not the Vidalia Onion, because it doesn't say onion, but it's got a picture of an onion. So it could be the Vidalia Onion Chop Wizard, but it's the Vidalia Chop Wizard. I don't know. I'm going to link it below in the Amazons. I wanted to try this because I was watching a woman. I think it was like a reel or something like that. It was a reel, and she was using it, and she really liked it, and she commented about it, and she thought it was a neat thing. And my daughter Amanda had heard of it also, and she said,
I've seen it.
Get me one. You saw it too? The little big dummy, Steve-O's behind the camera, and he said he's seen it also. So, what'd you think? You saw it. What'd you think?
That was cool.
So, I guess that's the fat blades, right? This must be a cleaning tool device. Bottom comes out. There's the paperwork. All right, and we want the fine ones. We don't want the fat ones. Or do we want the fat ones? No, we want the fat ones. We want the fat ones. Yeah, we want the fat ones. So it's supposed to chop and then put it into this guy down here. And she just pretty much goes like that, right? That's what she does? Boom. Let's start. We'll start with some peppers. I'm gonna put one pepper on. It looks like I gotta, maybe like that. Wow. Oh, that's pretty easy. Wow. So I guess as long as it's big enough to fit, this looks like about a 4x4, maybe 3x3. You got a tape measure anywhere?
No.
Wow. So for these smaller pepper, I wonder if we could like do something like that. Let's try that. I got a little mush. Got overexcited. But that's pretty.
If you don't stack them on top of each other, you'll be fine.
Yeah.
You stack them on top of each other.
But if you, yeah, let me chop them in half. Yeah. That goes pretty good there. All right. Okay. That works pretty good. What do you think, Siva?
It's cool.
All right, and then you take this out, and you can put it in. Whatever we're gonna put it in this. So you can take that out. This slides right off, and it's also got measuring things on the side. Here you can see it over there. Yeah. All right, let's try it with celery. We did peppers. Peppers is good. Let's go celery.
Put more.
That is really simple and easy. And I think they actually sell replacement blades. So then you give it like that, and you can see how much if you needed to measure. You got that? Can you see that?
Yep.
Wow. So celery, success with celery. Let's bang out a couple more celery. Now we got onions. So let me take this onion. I'm just gonna cut it in half one way like that. What do you think? All right. Wow. That was good. That was good. Now let's go with that one on the onion. All right. That's fine on the onion, and yeah, it dices it fine. Wow, this is actually better than the spinny one that we were using. The spinny one's got its purpose, but this seems pretty.
Yeah, but it's only dicing it as one-dimensional. It's only cutting one-dimensional. So like you're gonna have a piece.
Oh, right. I see what you're saying. Yeah. So you can potentially have some longer pieces because it's only, I see what you mean. But the other one gives it a more fine. But I mean, I'm making chili, so
It's gonna render down anyway.
this is perfect for chili. And this. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's try some of these other peppers. These are a little softer than the green peppers. And I have the food processor vegetable dicer for the KitchenAid. That was like a $150, $175 attachment to the KitchenAid. Bless you. Don't sneeze on my vegetables.
No.
And we've used it a heck of a lot. The problem with that is that it's a bitch to clean. A lot of cleaning with that one there. This. This is pretty nifty. See. So if you got it here and then you give it a smack the way that's why it says to smack it. And that's why they, oh, there you go. See, you got to smack it. I like it. It's pretty inexpensive. Dishwasher safe. They sell replacement blades if the blade gets dull. It's got a little measuring doohickey in it if you want to measure. This comb here, I believe the comb is not for the blade end. The comb is for this, yeah. So the comb is to get the goodness out. I guess you run it over a good pressure on your sink and it should clean it out. But I like it. We'll link it in the description below. We put it on the Amazons. It's the Vidalia chop wizard, as seen on TV. I never really saw it on TV. I saw it on a reel. Chops onions, carrots, peppers, apples, mushrooms, zucchini, eggs, and more. I like it. Thanks for watching.